How to change username of account in Windows 11. Now let's get started. First of all, open up the control panel in your Windows 11. For that, you can simply search in your search bar. Once you open up the control panel, you will have this type of interface. Now from here, head over to this view by section and from there click on this drop down menu. Here, click on or select category. And once you select the category, now from here go to user account and there is an option as change account type. So click on that. With that, you will land on this next interface where you will be able to see your account in your Windows 11. Now to change the username, simply click on your account. Now again go to the link that says change the account name. Click on that. Now here you can add a new account name. And once you change the name, simply click on change name button. And with that, your name has been changed. But if you close this tab and if you open your start menu, there the name won't still be changed right here. Now to change this name, first of all, sign out and then log back in. So click on this, click on three dots icon, then click on sign out. And after that, again, you log back in and then your name will also be changed from this section too. So that's how you change username of account in your Windows 11. That's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.